Their story goes back to 1985. At that time, they were known as the Partners, a name that represented their way of living as partners, brothers if you wish.
Let me tell you, we started very young. Not only did we attend the same school, but we even ate together in the same plate. I tell you, in the same plate, and we wore the same clothes. My friend, I don't know how we may call it, but it was clean partnership. You may call it friendship if you wish, but it's clean partnership.
While they tried a variety of musical flavors, such as calypso, reggae, and at last zouk, there is one thing that was always unique about them. It is their selfless devotion in helping others to accomplish their goals, and at the same time setting a real tone which will help achieve this dream.
It's obvious that Phantom helped other groups such as La Coal, Zen, among others, but there was a reason for that. We had to help build up the new generation movement, and that was our dream.
Yes, Zen rightly named itself the power of the new generation. And while other musical groups were still trying to understand, Zen has not only powered its way through, but also conquered the hearts of many youngsters.
As Zen's success prolonged, the Partners not only changed their strategies, but also their name. They became known as Phantom. Their eagerness to become the best was always reflected throughout their adventure. For example, they strive competition and rivalry. Do you remember November 25, 1993?
And though there wasn't any doubt to who was the best, the Phantoms were still trying to prove something to themselves. They proclaimed that they were the Tranquilizers, and guess who was their new target? Phantom's success speaks for itself. They are recognized as being the biggest Haitian show band. Their music has not only made an impact in educating the Haitian youth about their heritage, but also provides a setting where they can express themselves. And their lyrics, unbelievable.
Sous la terre, prêcher la justice. Ça fait mal, oui ça fait mal. Mais pour y avoir l'autre la paix, y'a mis de condamner, ça fait mal, oui ça fait mal. Réconciliation, union, éducation sans solution. Politique raciste, activiste, fanatisme, qui nous non business. Voler malfaiteurs, bluffeurs, exploiteurs, sont bandits tirés. Yo méprisé, faut nous organiser. Liberté sans préjugés, souple, guidé par méprisé moi. La justice pour ma vie, il n'a pas ouais cap critique. Yo méprisé, humilié, sans soulager. Quel longtemps c'est that n'attend que pas content. Je vais commencer là. Before. Je vais commencer là. Si pays nous va avancer, soleil a levé, la pluie a tombé, la chaîne a descendu, de son côté pour me barrer. Oh non, par les mauvais temps qui viennent par nos problèmes. Oh non, même besoin famille, même besoin d'amis, des amis qui nous ont moins d'espoir. Oh non, mais pas qu'un menti dans ça, mais pas qu'un menti dans ça. Oh non, non. Oh non, non. Soleil par la pluie à la tombée, la chaîne, la descente.
Asking them what they would like to be called now, they say,
but we are the real thing.
Eh bien, je dis en photo, on vient lâcher en danse pour nous faire connaître que la musique a avancé puis devant. Et ça que nous avons cherché depuis longtemps, c'est une musique en compas, mais qui à la fois apporte un message qui est assez fort. Je dis en photo, on dit à nous, jeunes, nouvelle génération, ça, pour nous mener comme ambassadeur musique haïtienne, pour nous arriver loin. En introduisant ensemble avec moi, nous faites des voix nous très fort. Nous avons dit ensemble, Fantôme!